Hi, and welcome to this new video for the Pro Gen 4 Object Classification Search. In Victor 5.7, the Pro Gen 4 camera can now classify objects. Please note this feature is currently supported by the Illustra Pro and Flex Gen 4 cameras. On Video Edge, the camera needs to be configured to use edge-based analytics. To configure this, navigate to the Setup cog icon. Select Edge Based from the Video Analysis dropdown and ensure that the record mode is set to record only on alarm or record always with alarms. You can configure the alarms by selecting the Configure Alarms button and then configure the alarms as required. On Victor, select the View Alert Hitboxes icon at the top of the screen to ensure that the Object Identifier checkbox is selected. Red hitboxes with object classification and a confidence level will be displayed. For example, this object has been identified as a car with a 92% confidence, and a person has also been identified with a 62% confidence. Object classifications will be displayed in the Activities list. Users can right-click and select Review to review the associated footage. Video footage with the hitbox object classification and confidence level will then be displayed. A new search type has also been added within Search and Retrieve. Navigate to the Search and Retrieve wizard and select Illustra AI from the Type of Search dropdown and configure a date and time settings, and then click Next. An object type selection and confidence level slider will be displayed. The object type list will auto-populate with any object types detected by the camera. Configure an object type and a confidence level, and then you can select multiple object types if required, but only one confidence level can be configured. Next, then configure a region of interest and click Next. Once you're happy with your configuration, click Finish. And as you can see, the search results will be displayed at the bottom of the screen.